making stuffed mushrooms, so let's begin. So I'm going to be adding some breadcrumbs. So I've made my own, so I've used 3 bread slices. So I'm going to add 100 grams of Greek style cheese, a teaspoon of crushed garlic, a sprinkle of parsley, a sprinkle of chili flakes, a sprinkle of salt, a sprinkle of white pepper. So I'm going to mix this up. Okay, this is now nicely mixed up. So I'm using 3 large mushrooms. I'm going to drizzle some olive oil just on top of the mushrooms. Sprinkle with some salt. And some pepper. So I'm going to now add the stuffing on top of the mushrooms, making sure I'm covering all the top. So the remaining stuffing, we're just going to pile this on top. So I'm now going to pop this in the oven for 20 to 25 minutes on a gas mark 5. Finished stuffed mushrooms. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and thanks guys for watching.